That's only 5 subs.
Oh, one of them's blown?
Yeah, that bottom one's blown.
Dang.
Bottom right.
Yes, sir. Wow. Man. Be at least 60s on music. That's insane.
Oh, that's over 60s. Woo. That's only 5 subs.
Oh, one of them's blown?
Yeah, that bottom one's blown.
Dang.
Bottom right.
Yes, sir. Wow. Man.
Yeah.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Scott, man.
Scott Schuyler, okay.
Oh, yeah. What now? What do we want to know?
Could you tell me the equipment real quick?
Oh, it's 6 level 615s, 3 DC 10Ks. Yeah.
3 DC 10Ks.
3 DC.
What are they wired at?
Half of them.
Half of them? Okay.
I need some 20Ks.
Some 20Ks?
All right.
Have you broken your windshield before?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Man,
I
thanks.
won't do it today.
No, I wouldn't, yeah. Thanks for the demo, man.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you again. Woo!
Yeah, open and push.
Bass head problem. Probably break everything. 60s on music. That's insane.
Oh, that's over 60s.
Woo.
That's only 5 subs.
Oh, one of them's blown?
Yeah, that bottom one's.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.